Hey everybody, welcome back to another Leetcode problem 231 power of 2. This is an easy one. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise it return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer such that n is equal to 2 raised to power x. N is equal to 2 raised to power x, yes. So what is a power integer? 1 becomes true because if 2 has the power 0 it will return 1, and 16 is a good example. 2 power 4 is 16 and n is 3, so 3 is not and in any case if we in any case we are not, odd numbers are out of list, you can say, because this is a table of 2. Whenever we see a odd number we will say what is this, this is just makes no sense. So what we will do is to solve this we can use bit or bitwise operators, bit manipulation, but that's pretty confusing and it is hard to work with bits, so confusing to work with bits. So we will be making a power variable and a counter will, so whenever our power should be less than the number itself, we know that like just common sense, our power will be, for example, if 2 has a power of 4, this is just for the sake of understanding, then 4 is less than 16, 4 should be less than 16, which it is, and we have a counter, and we will keep increasing our counter again and again and again by 1 until our power becomes equal to the our, you can say, our power becomes equal to the number, and hold it down, like our power, the product of power, like this will be our power. uh, we will understand how things are working. So like this, if we have power 4 and 16, so if power becomes equal to n, we will just stop, okay, and return true. In another case, if this is not possible, then what we will do is just return out of the list and of our loop basically, and say uh, it is false. So I think you guys understand how this works, and now let's code it down. So like I said, we will be using a power uh, variable which will assign 1, and a power, not power counters, it will be our count 1. So while our power is less than nums itself, or equal to, if power is equal to n, we are going to return true. Let me return true. And in the else case, what we will do is 2 raised to power our counter, our count. Okay, yeah, this is good. And our count, we will keep increasing it by 1 again and again. So this is it. Now if we make it out of our loop and we didn't return true, then obviously we know we have uh, something odd going on here, you can say, and we will return false, and this should work fine. Let's see if this works or not, and if it works, that will be good. So yeah, that's its work. And the Wi-Fi is slow, I think. Yes, that's why it is taking so long. So that's it. Yes.